Welcome to Truth and Wellness, where we're committed to uncovering the real strategies behind lasting health transformations. I'm your host, Pavel Gray, and today I'm thrilled to introduce our guest, Dr. Kent, a doctor of pharmacy and glutathione expert who's devoted his career to health optimization.
Welcome back to another episode of Truth and Wellness. I'm Pavel Gray, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to many of our hearts: athletic recovery. Why is it that some athletes seem to bounce back almost instantly, while others take days to recover? Joining me today is the incredible Dr. Kent, who has extensive experience in optimizing athletes' cellular health. Dr. Kent, welcome.
Thank you, Pavel. It's great to be here. Recovery is such a critical aspect of athletic performance, yet it's often underestimated. Athletes tend to focus heavily on training, but they sometimes overlook the importance of cellular repair.
Absolutely. I think many of us just assume that more training means better results. So, what's the real secret to fast recovery?
Glutathione is a key player. When we exercise intensely, our muscles produce a plethora of free radicals. This is a normal response to stress, but these free radicals can damage muscle fibers, proteins, and mitochondria. Your body needs mechanisms to clear that damage, allowing for proper muscle repair. Glutathione neutralizes these free radicals and supports protein synthesis, crucial for muscle recovery.
Most athletes talk a lot about protein intake, sleep, and, ice baths. Is there something missing from that equation then?
Not missing per se, but incomplete. All of those are important, no doubt. However, they don't fully address oxidative stress at the cellular level. Think of it this way. Protein is your body's building block, and sleep is the time it takes to build. But if oxidative stress is damaging your cells faster than they can repair, you're in a losing battle. That's where glutathione comes in, to remove that obstacle.
Interesting. And how do elite athletes incorporate this knowledge into their routine?
Smart athletes often supplement with bonded cysteine to boost their glutathione levels. There was this study from McGill University, published in the Journal of Applied Physiology, demonstrating that when athletes use cysteine-rich whey protein supplements, it improves their muscular performance and reduces oxidative stress post-exercise. Those with optimal glutathione levels can recover more quickly, perform better, and minimize injury risks.
It makes sense now why some athletes seem to age almost gracefully, while others just burn out. Do you have an example?
Certainly, Tom Brady is a perfect illustration of this. Throughout his career, he focused intensely on his cellular health, reducing inflammation, and optimizing antioxidants. Even if he wasn't specifically honing in on glutathione, his approach protected his cells from cumulative damage. Many athletes falter because the oxidative stress accumulates over the years, and their bodies just can't keep pace with the repair demands.
What about someone who's training hard? What changes can they expect with optimized glutathione levels?
You'll notice muscle soreness decreasing significantly. You'll still feel the results of your workout, but without being utterly defeated. Then, energy rebounds more quickly. Instead of feeling sluggish for a few days, you're ready to go the very next day. This also positively impacts your strength and endurance as mitochondria perform more effectively. Inflammation markers drop, and your body stops fighting itself. Last but not least, your immune function remains robust, so you're less likely to catch a cold, even during those rigorous training phases.
It almost sounds too good to be true, doesn't it?
It does, but it's all about optimal cellular function, and most people have never experienced that level of efficiency, Pavel. Unfortunately, they see fatigue and slow recovery as normal. But bonded cysteine supplementation can show significant improvement. There's solid evidence published in various sports medicine journals showing just that.
Do you have any recommendations on dosage for those interested?
Most athletes find that 2 sachets of Immunocal daily can be beneficial. One in the morning before training, and another in the evening for recovery. Each sachet holds 10 grams of bonded cysteine-rich protein. During more intense periods, some athletes increase to 3 sachets daily.
I work with a lot of yogis and fitness enthusiasts who train hard, though they're not professional athletes. Do you think they'd still see benefits?
Yes, definitely. Anyone undergoing physical stress can benefit from optimized glutathione. In fact, your weekend warrior clients are possibly more at risk since they're working out hard and then sitting behind desks all day. Their bodies don't get the full recovery needed, leading to burnout and chronic inflammation over time. Bonded cysteine can help level that playing field.
That's a game changer for my clients. How can they track progress?
Have them track recovery time between workouts, any muscle soreness, energy levels throughout the day, and even how they feel after a demanding session. They should begin seeing improvements within 2 to 3 weeks. For full optimization, it takes around 90 days as cellular reserves are rebuilt. Comparing the first month to the third, the difference is usually quite noticeable. I will also include a link for a 5-day sample kit of the original Immunocal and booster for people that want to get a feel for the taste and practice mixing the product before they commit to a monthly supply in the description section of this podcast.
Thank you, Dr. Kent, for this enlightening discussion. It's truly given my audience and myself a new perspective on recovery. You've shed light on something that has been overlooked by many.
My pleasure, Pavel. Remember, recovery is where all the magic of adaptation happens. Optimize recovery, and you're optimizing everything else along the way.
Thanks for tuning in to the Truth in Wellness podcast, where your journey to mastering wellness begins.